September 15 around 10 o'clock. So we're gonna change that pump. That's the seal type is packing, and it's a pain to constantly have to service the pump. So we're going to buy the mechanical type seal to move away from this kind of challenges. When the packing overheats, it destroys the ball bearing. It destroys a lot of things. The shaft, the ball bearing, the wear and tear of the pump itself, the impeller. So slowly we're going to move away from packing to mechanical seal. But the challenges here is once this thing is running, water will spew out, and they're struggling to contain the water pressure. So, I mean, quite frankly, there gotta be an easy way to mitigate this kind of challenges. So I'll look at see how we can mitigate this kind of challenges. I mean, this is crazy. So these guys have put up with this kind of challenges for years, and of course, me seeing these things, I haven't really devoted a full amount of my attention to this kind of challenges. So this actually reminds me to do something to help them out. So, how are we going to do this? So there's a leak there. There's far too many things that makes farming difficult, and I'm looking at ways to make these a lot easier to manage and maintain. It's so painful to watch these challenges. So hopefully we will find a solution to ease this kind of challenges. So we bought this pump. The seal is called mechanical seal. So we have two pumps, and these are the packing type. So what tends to happen with packing, they overheat. You can see it'll burn the bearing, and so they're replacing it with new bearing, and the shafting also worn out, and the pulley. So the end result of overheating is various components that goes inside these will fail. So this being a mechanical seal, there is no packing, and so this would last for many years, similar to a submersible jet pump. That's that kind of seal. So we're going to start to replace these with these ones. Thanks for watching.